baby monitor?
I think it is a complete essential. We used it for, I think, until 1 year. It's a necessity.
In the nursery, I had a rocking chair.
Yeah.
Oh, that's...
Oh my god. Before you recline it, you can do back and forth. That helped me. 5 S's wala jo swing hai.
Putting the baby to sleep before putting them in the crib. Study that a doctor did, Dr. Carr. So he suggested that 5 S's are really important for babies to soothe them. Mysteries, oh god. They help a lot. I didn't even know it existed until I came to Canada.
Me too. What about feeding pillow?
I use it a lot. I had this pillow, my best friend. Did you buy burp cloths?
Yeah, I did. Like मैंने वो बोला ना वो पूरी checklist में मैंने सब लिया था. I used it to wipe her butt.
Oh.
But second one, I used the same breast pump जो मैंने पहले लिया था, and it helped so much.
My mother, when she came to know about it, she's like, I wish मेरे time पे भी ये होता, Like, she didn't know what to do with the amount of supply that she had.
Then you just end up throwing it.
In Nepal, it's so common breastfeeding that women are like just like out in the open and feeding. There's no shame.
That's incredible.
Yeah, that's how it should be. Like, we should not feel like so grossed out about it.
It's more than us. It's just the way certain people look at you.
Babies don't come with manuals, unfortunately, but they do come with a lot of products that have manuals.
And that's why today we're tackling a topic that every new mom can relate to, newborn essentials. We're going to cut through the clutter and talk about what worked for us and what didn't. So let's get started. Welcome to the Modern Sakhi podcast. We're your hosts, Neha and Sinena. And today we're going to talk all about all the newborn essentials that we bought and some of them we did not buy, and we'll talk about what worked for us, what did not work for us. So I hope you guys find this really useful, especially if you are a first-time mom expecting, no matter what baby you have, these tips hopefully should help you.
Definitely. So let's start with the basic requirement. I think let's start with a bassinet. Did you use a bassinet?
Yeah, I did for my first child. Was it for the first one or second? I think it was for the second one I used it. I actually got it as a hand-me-down from a friend because I knew that bassinets, because I already had one child, so I knew the bassinet won't last more than a couple of months.
Correct.
And I did not want to spend that much money because, as we know, newborn products are super expensive. And for something that's only going to last maybe 2 to 3 months, I did not feel the need to invest in that. So I had a friend whose baby was a couple of years old at that time, and she very graciously handed that down to me, and we used it. And that was helpful, I should say that, because, when the baby is just newborn until they're like 2-3 months old, usually, like, obviously they'll wake up multiple times for feeding, and that big crib I thought was a little too big for her at that time. So a smaller bassinet which I could just keep next to my bed. That was really helpful. And it was, the one I had was something that you could keep even on top of your own bed.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, so it was a very portable one.
That's nice.
Yeah, even when I would like work in the kitchen or sit in the living room, we could just pick that up easily and move. It was like a little basket, basically.
Oh, like those Moses baskets.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cute.
So that way, yes, it was very helpful.
Very helpful. Okay, same. It was a hand-me-down for me. And it was the Halo bassinet. Really loved it because it had a lot of functions of like soothe, like swing, and like it had like those white noise and everything.
Yeah.
But the footprint was very big and I have tripped multiple times. So for a bedside bassinet, I feel it's pretty huge, like the legs of it. But yes, for the first 3 months, definitely a must. And I really, like, all of us really enjoyed it in the way because we were not scared of putting the baby just next to us on the bed, because in the initial months आप इतने डरे हुए होते हैं, आपको लगता है गलती से भी हाथ ना लग जाए. Oh, is the baby breathing?
Exactly, right? मुझे भी वही था कि the first month my husband was sleeping in a different room because I was like waking up multiple times. He had to go to work next day, so we were figuring it out, right? And that's the time I kept that bassinet on my bed.
Correct.
Because it was so tiny, like a basket, and that really helped. Like I did not have to move around too much.
A lot. Yeah. Okay, so coming down to hand-me-down, so because everything is so expensive, the other thing that was a hand-me-down not a hand-me-down, I'll not be, I won't lie here. So we took our first stroller through Facebook Marketplace. And oh my God, was such a bad decision.
Oh,
We
really?
regret it because it came with the car seat, of course,
Yeah.
like the whole
The newborn car
the
seat.
newborn car seat, and then they had like the stroller.
It's called something. It's called like a
3-in-1 or
Three,
yeah,
yeah,
something
something.
like that, right? So we checked everything because every car seat has an expiry date, right? So that's very important to check the expiry date if you're even taking it from a close friend or not.
yeah.
So we checked everything looked good, and Graco is like a renowned company.
Yeah,
So we took that from Facebook Marketplace. But after a few like uses, I felt that the cushioning was not enough for a newborn.
Okay.
Obviously, because with time, like the ones who had used it earlier, उनने भी काफी टाइम तक यूज किया होगा ना, तो फिर वो उसकी कुशनिंग मुझे इतनी अच्छी नहीं लगी. प्लस व्हेन द बेबी स्लीपिंग वो इधर उधर होता है, टिल्ट होता रहता है हेड. सो दे मतलब आई वाज फाइंडिंग हाउ कैन आई प्रिवेंट दैट. सो दे सेड यू कैन गेट पोर्टेबल पिलोज टू पुट अराउंड द नेक, बट आई काइंड ऑफ इट वाज लाइक not good. Not needed.
Yeah.
So for us वो एक चीज है जो I feel I should have bought like brand new, or from like a very close friend who might have used it like in a proper way, or like might have used it like really less.
So regarding that, for my first child, because उस time obviously कोई experience नहीं होता है आपको, तो और हमने strollers जब check किए तो काफी महंगे भी थे, like starting from couple of hundred to a couple of thousand. So you don't know.
Baby.
हाँ, I know. Fancy. I saw a lot of YouTube videos.
I told my husband next time मैं pregnant होंगी मैं अपा baby ही लेने वाली हूँ.
But what we did was at that time, although मेरे को उस time अच्छा नहीं लगा था ये decision, because मेरे को भी दिखाना था कि मेरे पास fancy चीजें हैं.
Yeah.
But my husband found some warehouse where they had a lot of baby and kids products, and they were all brand new. But you know जो वो बहुत bulk में आते हैं, and then they sell it for a much cheaper price.
Oh wow.
So I think this was back in 2019 when she was born. I think we got it for just like $100 or something. A brand new stroller. It was not used, but because it was from like a big warehouse, not a fancy shop where you go and buy, right?
Yeah.
तो हमने लिया. It was not the most good looking stroller per se, but it did the job. She used it until I believe just a couple of years back we gave it away, but until then क्योंकि वो newborn seat के साथ आता है, and then once a baby grows you can put the front facing one,
yes,
the back facing one, वो पूरा वो reverse हो जाता है.
Yeah.
So it really helped, and it was very easy to fold and carry in the cars.
That's the main part. It should be easy to like fold, because as a new mom, if you like have stitches around, there, it's very difficult to carry like a bulky stroller. It's not easy.
And you know how heavy the car seats are.
Oh my god.
So उसके साथ if you have a bulky stroller, like your whole thing is going to go for a toss. So that really helped us. So that is one suggestion if anyone's looking to buy products, and if you're not too comfortable with hand-me-downs, then this is a good option. Check out a lot of warehouse sales around you. Canada में तो मैंने बहुत देखे.
Yes, correct.
So yeah, that's what we use.
I remember the first time I went to Europe for vacation, and वहाँ तो oh my god, इतने fancy, इतने अच्छे good looking strollers. They like, I should like just keep looking at strollers, and my sister's like, what's wrong with you? You were into clothes and like.
Did you have a baby that time?
Yes, I did.
Oh, okay.
So like I had a good stroller by then. Like it, I still use it till now. It's a European brand only. Got it from Italy, I think.
Okay.
Got it down here to Canada, and it's not the one that has with the car seat and everything. It's basically a traveling stroller.
Okay.
So I used it like from a very young age, when she was like I think around 4.5-5 months since then.
Okay.
So, and I've been using that only. So, but still, it's not that fancy. It's like a nice product. But over there, I was like, oh, it has gold rims. Okay.
Yeah, like I've seen so many strollers with a lot of like antique looking, like जो पुराने 50s, 60s में वो style, vintage styles.
Yeah.
And I was like, in my dream, like I even created a whole Pinterest board when I was pregnant and had nothing to do.
But it's not needed, guys. It's not needed.
It's just very expensive, and after a few months, you're not going to use it. So
definitely. And like stroller, of course, you're going to be using it for quite a bit. But like everything like that. It comes with a bassinet. Like
Huh.
strollers come with a bassinet, which is useful,
Yeah.
and then you can like sell it or whatever. But like getting a very fancy one, I don't think
Yeah.
it's very important.
I
and
feel you can rather put that money towards something else.
Yeah.
That's just my opinion.
And like also because like a lot of mishaps happen. Maybe the baby can
Yeah.
puke.
Yeah.
And then like a person like me, मुझे तो ये लगा रहेगा, अरे यार इतना महंगा stroller लिया था, इसमें puke हो गया.
हाँ,
Like, I
गंदा
would-
हो जाएगा.
गंदा हो जाएगा. I remember the first time I was traveling, even though this stroller that I have now is not very expensive, but it's a pretty decent amount. And of course, you got it from somewhere. It's not locally made. So I was very particular with it. So people who didn't know how to use it also, I was like, "नहीं, मैं खुद से use कर लूँगी," because I didn't want any scratches or any of that. I had to keep cleaning it. Even while traveling, I made sure to put it in the travel bag before giving it for check-in. I was paranoid. तो सोचा अगर और महंगा होता मैं तो
हाँ, फिर it would be more valuable than gold, maybe, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what's next?
Baby monitor?
I think it is a complete essential.
For me,
Because
yes.
safety wise, if you look, and you still use it, right?
I still
for your
use
daughter.
it. Yeah.
We used it for, I think, until 1 year,
Mm-hmm.
and then we stopped. But it's necessity, because you never know ki baby ko, if the baby is crying or if they need us for whatever reason, then you can check on them. I think especially yahan pe where the houses are like 2-story.
Storied, yeah. And also like even if you're sleeping with the baby, you're not sleeping at the same time.
Right.
So for example, if you put the baby to sleep at 6 maybe and you're going to be sleeping at 10-11, so you're not in the same room, right? In your own room. तो तब तक कुछ भी अगर आवाज आए या जैसे भी, तो I feel a baby monitor is so important. I remember the first time I went to my parents' place in Nepal, मैं नहीं लेके गई थी. And it's not a very big house. So I left the door open, everything. But still, back of the head, I had this tension, अरे अगर वो उठ गई, अरे उसको कुछ, what if she just fell from the bed, because वहाँ पे crib भी नहीं था. So I was like, पूरे वक्त मेरे को वो tension थी. फिर दूसरा opposite क्या हुआ कि because I had left the door open, we were not enjoying ourselves, because you cannot watch TV, then आप धीरे धीरे बात कर रहे हो. So I was missing my baby monitor so much. I'm like, no, next time, this is one thing I have to bring a baby monitor. ठीक है, you can like put your phone on and all of that, but then you need your phone also.
Yeah,
So-
why would you do that?
Yeah.
When baby monitors are so well equipped, and you can just plug it and connect anywhere.
Yes.
Yeah, so
Yes.
that's a real big must-have for
Must-have.
sure. Okay, so talking about baby monitor, next is white noise machine.
I loved it.
Loved it. I honestly still use it,
Mhm.
but yeah, we don't put it on for the whole night. But we use it because sometimes I feel कि अगर हम TV देख रहे हो या बात कर रहे हो या अगर वो चल भी रहे हो outside the bedroom, I just don't want them to get up. Now I feel that they are like 4. My younger one is 4, older one is 5.5. अब तक तो उनको नहीं उठते हैं, but
Right.
मेरे दिमाग में है. But
नहीं, also because
definitely.
the houses are like doll houses.
Yeah.
तो सारी आवाज हर जगह जा रही होती है.
और अभी तो ठीक है, but when they were newborns or babies, definitely help.
A must. Even I had like a portable voice white noise machine. It's called the Baby Shasha. Somebody had recommended it to me, and I loved it. I even took it while traveling. आप stroller पे लगा सकते हो, and like when the baby's sleeping while you're like strolling also, तो वो आप on कर दो, and like my daughter used to sleep really well with that sound. And like there are many people who say कि like white noise इतने time तक नहीं होना चाहिए, the baby gets used to it or whatever. So I don't know scientifically if that's true or not, but I feel कि मतलब after a time like it should not be there for the full night. Like it should be there for quite like the initial period where you're putting the baby to sleep. उसके बाद मुझे लगता है कि वो पूरी रात नहीं चलना चाहिए.
So what we do is कि we have a fan in the room now.
Okay.
They share a bedroom. Now they're older, so we put the fan on. उसमें एक हल्का सा आवाज आता है, right? और honestly मुझे भी as an adult, I
like
feel I fall asleep much faster and better when there's a little fan noise moving around rather than
But it's not that whooshing आवाज जो
No.
जो recommend करते हैं babies के लिए ना. It's not the same. It's a different.
It's just a like यहाँ पे especially the houses have like pin drop silence, right? There's no outside noise, so वहाँ पे मेरे को सोना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है for some reason.
My husband is the same.
Okay, so sometimes I have OK Google on my next to my bed, तो उस पे भी मैं कभी-कभी ocean sounds या ऐसे fire वाला कुछ लगा के सो जाती हूँ, but that's like again on a timer. So for the kids, white noise ये बोलते भी है ना कि it kind of mimics the sound that was there in
The
your
womb.
womb.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So coming to that, I think it's like a study that a doctor did. I think his name is Dr. Harp. Sorry, Dr. Karp.
Dr. Karp, yeah.
Dr. Karp. He's a
Dr. Harvey
pediatrician.
Karp,
Yeah. We'll mention the name. And so he suggested that, 5 S's are really important for babies to soothe them. And I think it has like swaddling,
It has sucking,
then this shushing, which is like the
Shushing.
white noise, then swinging,
and one was
sleeping on the side, or like patting them on the side, or like putting them on their stomach.
Yeah,
So when you're like
When
soothing them like this
on
yeah,
your shoulder.
on your shoulder.
Yeah.
So I think that all those 5 S's actually helped me. Also, like swaddle, oh my god, my daughter loved the swaddle. Did you use it?
Yeah, I used it for sure with both my kids. And then once I started turning, because they said you should not have their arms constricted when they start turning, because that's a safety hazard. Then we put them in the sleep
sacks.
Sleep
Yes,
sacks.
yes.
Yeah.
I think same with us. 1.5 years till my daughter turned 1.5, we used it.
Yeah, I think we
Yes.
used it till she was almost 2.
2. Yeah. Perfect.
But that really helps. It makes them feel cozy also, right?
So I felt that made her sleep much better.
Yeah.
And like that's what mere parents ne bhi kiya tha when we were kids.
Babies.
My mother used to swaddle me.
Yeah.
My mom-in-law swaddled both the kids with the cloth. And even they give, I think the hospital also gives you a cloth.
Yeah.
They
give
swaddle
it. Yeah.
the kid in the hospital, right? And I've heard a friend of mine said that swaddle is one of the best swaddle he's ever used, that he got from the hospital.
Okay.
Like it was like the size was perfect and everything.
Yeah. So swaddling, definitely,
Huh.
it really helped the kids sleep, because they also tend to like wake up with a jerk. And that kind of disturbs their sleep also. So even when I took the sleep training course, they recommended, they had these 5 S's and they recommended swaddling, which I did, and my kids loved it.
Yeah.
So we definitely recommend.
But there are so many kids जो like my
नहीं.
friends वो उनके बच्चे नहीं उनको पसंद है swaddle होना. So of course it works for few, it doesn't work.
And
for
you
few.
can't predict.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, some things are such that every child is so different.
Yeah.
Which might, something that I've worked for my first child might not work for my second child also.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So, definitely. Baki, I think the swing. I had a swing. Did
I
you
had
have
a swing, yes.
Yes, we had a swing. So if you're like in the kitchen or wherever, I used to just put my daughter in the swing.
Yeah. We used to keep the swing downstairs, I remember, or it was easily movable also, but that really helped keep the baby entertained also.
Yeah.
Like for 15-20 minutes to aaram se wo reh leti thi.
वो
And then it had some music also.
on. It had like the
dangling
thing there.
Yeah.
So yeah, it keeps them entertained. And my daughter used to sleep also on the swing. She slept also a few times.
And they have those safety belts and
everything. So it's not even like unsafe for the kids.
And if you're planning to have more than one child, then you can definitely reuse, right? And that way you save money too. But हमें तो वो gift मिला था, so
Right.
it really worked for both my kids.
That's the best part about this part of the world, baby registries. Oh god, they help a lot.
Yeah.
I didn't even know it existed until I came to Canada.
Me too.
Right?
I didn't know that.
Yeah, and it's very good, because if like for people like getting you just random things which you would not end up using, rather put the list which you think you would be using and get all your essentials.
It's practical.
Did you have a nursery? Because many when I made my nursery, they were like, ये तो बस तुम अपने लिए बना रही हो, ये बच्चा थोड़ा ना use करने वाला है. But I used my nursery so much, like it was like my happy space.
Yeah.
Right?
And I used it too. Although, like, of course, first 2-3 months the baby was in our bedroom.
Your bed.
My older one was with us until she was 6-7 months old, because that time we lived in a condo. But when we moved to a house, we had her own room. We moved her there with her crib and everything. And people have that thing ki nursery is a very fancy thing, because they see a lot of YouTube or Pinterest posts. But it doesn't have to be that way. It doesn't have
to be that way. It can have like a simple space just for your kid.
Exactly.
Where you have all the essentials, like the Manchester with the changing pad area, or like the crib, because eventually you shift the baby to the crib.
Some toys or whatever, depending
books.
age related.
Yeah, and also I think for me, in the nursery I had a rocking chair.
Yeah.
Oh, that's-
Oh my god. We still have that,
Yeah,
but
same.
हमने अभी वो basement में रख दिया.
हाँ. So it's like a recline. Mine was like a recliner.
Recliner.
Yeah. So the only drawback with my recliner was that once it reclined, it would not sway. So it would not move. So मुझे वो चीज लगा कि once I've reclined, I cannot move the baby. So I think you should buy something which has that mechanism. I don't know. Did
so
you
the
have
one
something like
we
that?
got was from Lazy Boy.
Same.
Lazy Boy.
yeah.
Okay. So मेरे में भी वो नहीं था.
नहीं था ना,
recline
हाँ.
के बाद वो नहीं move नहीं हो रहा था.
But they were saying it's a safety hazard.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Exactly. But before you recline it, you can do back and forth. और that helped me kind of जो ये swing 5 S's वाला जो swing है.
हाँ.
That was really
Putting
helpful.
the baby to sleep before putting them in the crib.
Exactly.
Correct.
And then eventually you can even you can use it for like in your
living area.
area
you
or
can
even like your TV room or
room.
whatever,
Yeah,
right?
definitely.
It's so comfy.
TV room. That's what. It's
Yeah.
very comfy. Coming to the nursery, like back, did you have a diaper genie or a diaper pail?
No, I didn't.
No.
Although मैंने देखा था, मेरे कुछ फ्रेंड्स के पास था, मैंने देखा भी था कि चलो मैं भी लूंगी, but it is expensive. And then I was thinking कि do I really need it? Like I know the diapers, the poopy diapers smell really bad, but no, I didn't really need. Like I would just throw them and then put them in the main garbage bin outside.
Right.
But I didn't have it.
Yeah, I feel it's a lazy hack probably because like with us also like we have a 2-story house, so वो ऊपर से नीचे ले जाना was a little like अरे अब कौन लेके जाएगा, so it was like that I think because of that we used it more. But of course when you're changing the baby downstairs, then you're putting it in the main garbage and then you're daily taking out the garbage any which way. So I feel it's okay to have it and it's not okay.
Yeah,
like,
the only thing I think अभी मेरे को price याद नहीं है, but at that point I thought I don't want to spend that kind of money on diaper genie.
Now they have like really good options, like not the diaper genie brand, but like they have other brands that are way cheaper than diaper genie.
Okay.
Yeah.
But मेरे लिए वो भी था कि एक और चीज आ गई, you know, फिर जब बेबी बड़ी हो जाएगी and then when she's not in diapers, तब मैं इसका क्या करूँ?
तब तक खराब हो जाता है. हमारा खराब हो गया था.
You keep on dumping
so much because diapers you're changing like so much throughout the day, right?
Smart.
It goes from 10 to down to 8, down to 6.
And they're so smart, right? They make sure कि 1-2 साल चले, उसके बाद खराब हो जाए ताकि when you have a next baby,
फिर से लेना पड़ेगा.
You can't reuse it.
You can't reuse it. That's so true. Oh my god. And plus diapers are expensive. But did you try the cloth diapers?
I did. During my second trimester, when I was a first time mom, I went to India for a month and मैं बहुत excited थी कि India से shopping करेंगे for the first time. And when you go to the store, they give you everything A to Z.
अब तो इंडिया में सब कुछ मिलता है.
सब कुछ
India is like
and they even have a checklist, you know, कि ये लिया आपने, ये लिया, अरे ये भी लीजिए. तो उसमें cloth diaper भी आ गया था और मेरे को ये था कि let me try it.
Right.
Because I mean, I'd heard, like, मैंने तो cloth diaper पहने थे when I was a baby. So my mom was also like, try it and all, which I did. But then it didn't really last long because it used to get wet so fast. And newborns, like, I think wet their diaper every hour maybe or even faster.
Yeah.
And because I had no help also, I was like, no, I don't have the energy to wash it. You know?
That is the main thing. I remember, like, of course, my mom's also suggested कि नहीं rashes हो जाएंगे baby को, it's not good. वो मैंने कहा आप धोगे ना तो मैं पहना दूंगी, मैं नहीं धोने वाली हूँ.
Because यार तुम अपने you have your own stitches. Whether or not you have stitches, you're still recovering from your postpartum thing. And you have lack of sleep, you have to feed the baby, you have to do other things. उसमें अभी आप धोने बैठ जाओगे diaper.
It's not the same like India. India, you have like a lot of ventilation. Your windows, everything is open, so it airs out the smell also of the baby. You know, like even if the baby is like without any diapers, just on a piece of cloth or like mattress or whatever, that smell goes away soon. यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं है because you're constantly, it's so cold, you're like everything is shut, that the smell doesn't go away and it's all carpeted. Like
that's another thing.
Even I tried once she turned 1 or something. 1 plus like चलो यार अब बहुत खर्चा हो गया diapers में, let's try cloth diapers. So I got a few from US. and she had bad rashes after that.
Oh.
So probably I did not change on time. I don't know what
You
it was.
never
Maybe
know.
the material did not suit or
Yeah.
what it was, but I stopped using that. But there's a brand in India called Super Bottoms.
Okay.
I've heard a lot about it. I even got them from India. So that kind of was easy and really nice to use. It has those buttons and everything. बहुत अच्छा था.
Okay.
But again, the laziness in me was like,
हाँ.
नहीं मुझसे नहीं होगा.
Yeah. नहीं वो मेरे साथ भी था. Also diapers में भी होता है. Some brands suit some babies so well, and the same brand might cause rashes to
Yes.
another baby.
Even with baby wipes, I've noticed the same thing. Like a few friends would suggest a brand, and the same thing, if I used, would not work.
Yeah,
right.
Yeah.
Like my husband has a thing for Huggies wipes. He's like, Huggies wipes are the best. And I'm like, how do you even differentiate
Why?
between Pampers and Huggies? I don't know. He just feels that it wipes well. I feel I don't know what it is. Like he has this thing.
Just
of
a preference.
Preference, yes. But of course, like using the wipes all the time, of course, it has a lot of chemicals. I
Yeah.
definitely agree. But there's so many options now available that.
So many options, but what I did was at home I never used a wipe. For both my kids, I never used it. I just when they would poop, I would just take a just a burp cloth bhi hota hai, which I never used for burping. I just used for cleaning all these things. So I would just wet it and then wipe it off like that. I think that was way cleaner for me because water se clean aur kya ho sakta hai for baby skin, right?
Yeah.
And sometimes I would even just take her to the bathtub and just wash it off like that.
That also.
I used a lot of wipes when we were traveling.
Yes.
That's the best during travel.
For everything, not just like your poops and everything, like even like cleaning the baby or like, cleaning yourself. Of course, like it's not a very good thing that we are promoting, like a lot of waste. But
I
yes.
mean, it's practical.
Practical.
You can't always have water and cloth and everything outside.
Available.
And the baby wipes do a really good job cleaning when you are on the go. So for that I used it. But घर के लिए एक तो महंगे भी हैं, and why would I use it at home when I have access to water, right? Like
मैंने तो किया, no doubt. I won't lie about it because I found it a little difficult to like take my child every time. But yes, like I would like leave the child open for a bit when she's like having a massage, and like after that
just air it out. Yeah.
So तब नहीं use करते थे, and yeah, but otherwise I have used it quite a bit.
ये भी मैंने देखा है, the cute baby rolls that you have, the leg rolls, उसमें भी sometimes वो पसीना या कुछ, या sometimes like I don't know, like it's a little, sometimes it can be a little moist. Or wet. So airing the baby out is a good thing for sure. Yeah.
But there is this thing, wipes warmer.
What?
Yeah.
What on earth is
a
that?
friend of mine was like, don't buy it at all. I'm like, what is it even? Like,
yeah.
So it's basically like a box where you put all the wipes, and then whenever you take it out, it's room temperature. Like it's not room temperature, but like a little warm. So when you put it on the baby doesn't get startled. Oh, इतना ठंडा. But I feel इतना ठंडा नहीं होता है wipes.
Yeah, और यार उससे अच्छा यहाँ पे तो अपने टैप में गरम ठंडा दोनों पानी आ जाता है. तो मैं तो वॉश क्लॉथ गरम पानी में सोक करके.
But like for people who are using the wipes,
yeah,
I don't think it's a must.
No.
Yeah, इतनी भी ठंड नहीं होती घर में, बल्कि like heater पूरे वक्त on रहता है कनाडा में, so you don't need it.
And summer में भी like summer में तो गर्मी होती है.
Yeah, but you don't. I feel it was a waste.
Yeah, I mean, मैंने तो पहली बार सुना भी है.
Another thing I just recently heard is a butt spatula.
That just sounds so wrong. Are you sure it's a baby product?
Yeah, it is. So
what is it?
It's like
spatula.
A spoon or like a spatula. So when the baby has rashes, or when you put the baby bum balm, so instead of using your own hands, you're technically using like that spatula, taking out the balm or the cream from the box, and then putting it on the butt. अरे हाथ से कर लो यार, it's your own baby.
It's your own baby, man. Like just clean it with put it on with your fingers.
Like why would you even invent something like that? Like
I think it's just one of those things कि for a first time mom, they feel that
हमारे हाथ क्लीन नहीं होंगे, तो it's better to use that. एक तो ये बहुत है कि हर चीज क्लीन होना चाहिए, हर चीज स्टरलाइज होना चाहिए. अरे हम भी तो ऐसी पैदा.
Actually, मेरी एक friend है. She said that when she was a baby, her mom used to like sterilize every single toy also until she was like maybe 2-3 years old. And now, as an adult, she has so many health issues.
Issues.
Choti baat pe she falls sick. She has like a runny nose or whatever, and then she feels like it's because of that
I feel yes.
that
Like with
immunity
me-
build नहीं हो पाती.
हाँ, like with my daughter, वो तो dog food खाती थी.
You have a dog, so
Yeah.
that
तो उसका तो it was like I knew her immunity is going to go high because
same. Yeah, we have a dog too,
Yeah.
and they would play in the mud together.
together.
So उसमें ही उनका
हाँ,
build
काफी हो जाता है.
पर ये बार-बार हर
चीज को नहीं करना चाहिए. This is just too much, I feel.
And as a parent, you are the one who's going to be changing the diaper or putting the cream. Either you or your spouse or maybe your parents or whatever. So they obviously will make sure the hands are clean. Why
before
do you
touching
need a
the baby.
spatula for that? What if the spatula is not clean? What's the guarantee, right? Oh my god, crazy.
Talking about the sterilization part, did you use a sterilizer or did you go the traditional method?
No, I did the traditional thing because they used to breastfeed most of the time, so
Okay.
ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. But then at one time, I used to also pump.
Okay.
So तभी मैंने वही किया. अभी pump तो hardly होता था. तो उसके लिए I did not feel the need to get a sterilizer. So I would just put a big patila, boil it like that and use it.
Yeah, but we used like a sterilizer. One we got a hand me down, but then in another gift we got, which was like a microwave sterilizer.
Okay.
So you can just put put everything in that box and then put it in the microwave for a few seconds, and then
Okay.
yeah. So it was really convenient. I think आजकल हर चीज convenience की हो गई है.
हाँ, होती है.
So, but it really helped for me because I used to pump a lot.
Okay.
तो तब के लिए बहुत useful था because cleaning all those parts is also such a big thing,
Yeah,
right?
it is.
Yeah, but
it
I
is.
feel breast pumping is like so good also, but at the same time like such a big task.
Yeah, it is. मुझे तो बोला गया था hospital में just before I gave birth, they said make sure you have a breast pump.
Okay.
So my husband, when I was admitted, he went downstairs to the pharmacy and he bought it. And मेरे को पहले लगा यार इसका क्या use होगा because with my first child मैंने इतना use नहीं किया था.
Okay.
एक तो she had latching issues, तो वो उसमें ही थोड़ा सा वो था issue. But eventually, and she did not accept the bottle after that.
Okay.
But for my second one, I used the same breast pump जो मैंने पहले लिया था, and it helped so much because I used to breastfeed her, but then I had a lot of milk supply.
Correct.
So मुझे कभी-कभी रात को उठ के pump करना पड़ता था. And then I also figured कि when we are on the go, or if I'm out for like 2-3 hours, and if I'm not there to feed her, so if I have like 2-3 bottles pumped, then जो भी घर पे होगा वो उसको feed कर
That is the main thing about breast pumping. I feel my mother, when she came to know about it, she's like, I wish मेरे time पे भी ये होता, like my mom-in-law especially, because she didn't know what to do with the amount of supply that she
then
had.
you just
right?
end up throwing it. And
100%.
it's like you feel so bad.
Oh, that feeling is the worst.
Worst.
I remember the first time when we started pumping, and my husband used to put it from the pump to the bottle or to the packets, right? Those जो freezer में जाते हैं. वो एक बूंद भी रहती थी ना. I used to get so furious. You know how doctor taxing you take all.
Because when your first time in the milk comes, वो क्या बोलते हैं colostrum, that is firstly very healthy for the
Yes.
baby, but उस time एक बूंद भी निकल जाए, we feel कि wow, we got that milk for the baby.
Yes.
So
yes.
it's like liquid gold.
Liquid gold,
That's
yeah.
why it's called liquid gold.
gold. Yeah.
But breast pump definitely. For that, I feel maybe you can wait. You don't have to right away buy it.
I didn't buy it right away. मैंने कुछ टाइम के बाद ही किया था because I was having issues with
so you see how your baby is feeding. One of my friends, she breastfed her first child entire time. Second baby did not latch, did not feed, but she had milk supply, so all she did was pumped and fed him.
Okay.
So that way it was useful. So wait it out, I feel, and then see how your baby is feeding and then buy it, because also it's an investment, and if you're not going to use it, it's just a waste again.
Yeah, correct. Which one did you use? I had the Medela.
Same.
The
yellow
portable one or the sitting down?
No, the sitting
the
one,
manual one kind of.
No, not the manual one. Electric tha,
Electric,
but you
sorry,
have to
but
plug
like
it
the
in.
plug it. Yeah,
not the portable.
Not the portable one. But now they have these very fancy ones, right? You can just put it under inside your.
One of my friends in India, when she was she started working when the baby was like a few months old, and she said while she would go in the Uber, she would pump in the Uber.
Wow.
So I mean, this is where we've come, which is amazing.
Technology, yes.
Amazing.
The only thing, the difference I feel might be, which I've heard from a few friends, is the suction power. The suction power of the portable ones is not enough,
Not
of course,
enough.
because it's battery operated or whatever,
Yeah.
charged.
There are even manual ones.
I tried the manual first.
Okay.
It was a task.
It was a
Yeah,
task,
you can't
yeah.
just keep doing this.
Yeah.
So eventually, I feel Medela is a good brand and it worked for
Yeah,
us.
yeah. Medela for sure.
Right?
It worked for a couple of years for both my kids. So
But then because you started bottle feeding, did you use a bottle warmer?
no. No. Again, no. So I used a lot of घरेलू stuff.
हाँ.
Because मुझे पता था कि एक बार मुझे था कि मैं 1 साल तक breast feed करूंगी if I can. उसके बाद I voluntarily stopped because I
Okay.
did not want to extend it. तो मुझे लगा उसके बाद क्या use होगा इसका, right? So I did not buy it. मैंने वही किया कि 1 घंटे पहले निकाल के रख दो, थोड़ा सा room temperature हो जाए. You can always test it on your palm and then give it to the child, right? So that's what.
Or you can always like warm it in like any patila जिसमें गर्म पानी
yeah,
रख दो and you can just put your
double boil, not put it on the stove,
but
just
yeah,
dip
like गर्म
it
पानी
in
में
the-
डाल के रख दो तो गर्म हो जाएगा.
like thaw जैसे हम करते हैं
Yes,
चीजें.
yes. Same with me. That मैंने thaw वैसे ही करा, बाहर रख दिया या तो फिर if because freezer के बाद I think it has 4 hours or something.
Yeah.
तो, yeah, but then I got a bottle warmer from a company who had sent it
Okay.
as a promotional thing, which actually I really liked. Especially
Okay.
for my traveling, because when you're traveling from Canada to Nepal, it's like 16-17 hours, right? And sometimes the milk is not room temperature. It's like the water especially is very cold, like
Oh,
if you're
yes.
a formula mom.
Yep.
So to bring that water down to a certain temperature, it was really good. It used to heat the water up.
Okay.
It was very nice. It's called the Baby's Brew. So I really enjoyed using it. It has a formula dispenser as well. So you could just do 2 pumps and you knew, okay, it's like 120 for 120 ml.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
great. Yeah, so I believe these things are really helpful when you're traveling. Because घर पे options हो सकते हैं, but travel के
Traveling
time
के वक्त,
पे
like even camping के वक्त, I remember I took her camping when
Okay.
she was like a few 1.5 probably.
wow.
And then not 1.5, of course, before 1 till she was doing formula.
Okay.
And हमने वही करा था because अब कैंप में कहाँ से आप गर्म करोगे पानी, तो वही.
So basically, when you're outdoor, you don't want to have that hassle of
Yeah.
doing everything manually. So this
Yes.
is a good option for that.
The other thing I really used as a formula mom was the formula dispenser. It's called the Baby Brezza.
Okay.
So अब तो उसमें वाईफाई भी आ गया, आप अपने रूम में बस प्रेस कर दो and the milk is going to be dispensed in the bottle.
Oh my god.
But I had the manual one where you have to select 60 ml, 120, whatever.
Amazing.
But it was so good. Like you put the formula पहले से उसमें पड़ा रहता है and then whatever, जब भी बेबी को भूख लगे instantly just press the button and
My God. I mean, I gave my kids formula, but that was just in the beginning before I had my milk come in. But
Yeah.
this is great for
It's great,
formula feeding
yes.
moms.
Of course, at the back of the head, you always have this thought that what if it's not dispensing correctly? Because you want to make sure the ratio of water and formula is enough. It's
Yeah.
not like कि पानी ज़्यादा है and
Yeah. But did you experience that with yours?
So when I was reading through the like reviews, a few people wrote that, and I got so scared. So I kind of measured then.
Okay.
Like I tried measuring the amount of मैंने थोड़ा scientific basis को measure करा. It was almost the same. So फिर मैंने उसके बाद इतना नहीं सोचा.
I think 19-20 तक तो चल
it's
जाता
fine.
है.
Yeah. So I did not think much, but this is something that I'm going to always recommend a lot of people, and yeah, it worked. For
I'm
us.
sure if I were formula feeding, I think I would invest in this.
Yes.
Because that's convenient also.
For like many people, like like if your husband is doing it for you, like
Yeah.
वो बार-बार निकालना करना.
Yeah.
So it was very nice. Of course, it's another thing to be cleaned because of course once the formula is over, you have to take it out, clean it again.
Yeah.
But you choose what you want to.
Yeah, pick your battle, I guess. Pick your hardships.
Correct.
Talking about that, talking about feeding and all, मेरे को याद था कि pregnant थी जब मैं first time. I saw so many videos where people said, if you want to sleep better, get a pregnancy pillow. And इतना बड़ा एक huge
U-shape.
It looks so scary. And I ordered it,
Okay.
which I used maybe 3-4 baar, and then it was just lying in the garage because I did not find it comfortable. I would rather like put 3-4 pillows between my
the
legs or like back or stuff. But what about you? Did you use it?
So my friend had used it and she's like, I have it, so do you want to take it? I'm like, sure. फिर मैंने use करना start कर दिया. मुझे I don't know, somehow I feel कुछ चीजें ऐसी होती है जो मुझे पता ही नहीं चलता कि मतलब वो मेरे को सूट कर रही है नहीं कर रही.
You're confused.
You're confused. Like,
Yeah.
I was just using it. मतलब मेरे को ऐसा कुछ नहीं feel हुआ कि I'm uncomfortable या कुछ. Yeah, it's helping me a lot. ये भी नहीं था.
Okay.
So I was okay with it.
So you were
yeah.
like neutral.
But I used it like a lot. Like वो मतलब मेरे bed पे ही रहता था, तो I used to use it a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I never ended up using it, but I think that's again like if you have someone passing it down to you, then I think it's worth it. Otherwise, you have pillows. Just buy extra pillows.
And put it between your legs. That's true. I totally agree.
But talking about pregnancy pillow, what about feeding pillow?
I use it a lot.
Me
A
too.
lot.
Me
Yeah.
too. I used it.
So
a
I
lot.
had this pillow called My Best Friend.
Okay.
Yeah, so it goes around your waist. It comes with a buckle.
Yeah.
So I found it really
It's like a C
convenient.
shape.
Yeah, C shape.
Hmm.
Yeah, but not. It's not like a boppy. Because I think the boppy is very famous.
I had the boppy. Okay.
How was your experience with
Very
boppy?
good.
Good.
Very good. I
Okay.
used it with both my kids. Since the day I delivered, I used it in the hospital, and then
Okay.
every time I would, even when I was traveling actually, when
Mhm.
my older one was around 8-9 months old, I was traveling to India alone with her.
Okay.
And that time, it's a long flight. Right? तो उस time I was breastfeeding her, and airplane में तो बहुत ज़्यादा breastfeeding हो रहा था.
ज़्यादा हो जाता है.
Hmm.
Yes, yes.
तो and मेरे side में सारे strangers, and there were 2 men sitting next to me. This was the worst experience.
I had the same.
So that feeding pillow really helped because
Okay.
एक तो feeding का तो of course, but she would also sleep on it after feeding during the travel. So that was very helpful.
Very helpful.
And it helps the back also.
Back as well. हाँ.
Because you don't have to bend, especially nighttime feeding के लिए. I would relax on that chair.
The recliner.
The recliner, and then she would just feed, and I would know that her head, neck is protected.
Protected.
So
Okay,
that
yeah.
is, I feel, a must.
Must, right? Like many of my friends, they bought it, but they were like, हमें ऐसी convenient है.
Oh,
So they
okay.
just breastfed without the pillow.
Some people even breastfeed while they're lying down.
I
and
did that.
sleeping. You did that?
So at night, after I think when she was 6 months approximately, I used to be like, अब मैं फिर से उठ के फिर से मेरे को recliner पे नहीं बैठना. So I used to just pick her up, get her to my room from her room, and then just put her in between, and then just side. So it's called side feeding or like something that I don't remember the exact term. So I used to do that.
Okay.
So she used to just suck on it and then sleep very easily.
Okay. I never tried that.
People say don't do that much because you can get ear infections. Same like bottle feeding, right? Because you're like lying down, you're not at an angle. The baby is not at an angle, so you can get ear infections. But touch wood, nothing of that sort happened to my daughter, so it kind of worked.
You just have to be careful when you do it.
Yes. But there are times where you're like kind of feeding, and you know you're also dozing
मैं
off.
तो-
You're not knowing where the milk is going. Is it going in the ear or like in the mouth?
So many times I've fallen asleep in the night when I used to feed her. But that recliner helped me.
a lot.
A lot of times I would just sleep there if I didn't want to get up and go back in
Yes,
my room.
even I did that.
So I feel recliner and feeding pillow are really essential even for the moms more than the baby.
And that the breastfeeding cloth that comes on top.
Okay. Yes.
Did you use that?
I used it when I did it in public.
That for public only. Yeah, and like because I live with my in-laws. So like if you're watching TV or whatever, I used to put that cloth
Same,
on.
yeah. If I had guests over or whatever, then I used it for sure.
Yeah.
I think it's a good.
It was a good investment because like even if I'm going for parks and all, you know, so I could easily feed her with the thing. But I remember in the flight, I had the breastfeeding cloth, but like of course the same way like you're saying, there were 2 men sitting next to me, and I was like, I can't do that even with a cloth. I can't breastfeed, and you will not imagine I went to the washroom to feed her.
I did that once, but then I was like, नहीं बार मैं कितनी बार जाऊँ because हर घंटे में feed करा रही थी
because
उसको.
they get dehydrated so much in the flight.
And I just felt like I want to soothe her. So मैंने
So you did not even give the pacifier?
No, I did not.
That's
so and no bottle also, right? So I was like, I used the cloth, made sure nothing was seen.
Yeah, but it's a taboo. Like I remember in Nepal too, it's so common breastfeeding that
Really?
Yes, that women are like just up in the open, like out in the open and feeding. There's no shame.
That's incredible.
Yeah, and that's how it should be. Like
It
we should
should
not
be.
feel like so grossed out about it.
It's more than us. It's just the way certain people look at you. It's just that because they were like older men, and I didn't know. Like,
Yeah.
but yeah, the cloth helps.
Yes, it does help. So even that's like a good thing to buy, right? But burp cloths. Did you buy burp cloths?
Yeah, I did. Like
Such a
मैंने
waste.
वो बोला ना, वो पूरी checklist में मैंने सब लिया था. But वो burp cloth मैंने burp के लिए तो use नहीं किया. I used it to wipe her butt.
Oh,
That I told you, the washcloth that
so
I
the
would.
burp cloth that we got here in Canada is like, it's like a it's this long
Okay.
and it's narrow, so you put it on your shoulder.
Oh,
so when
it's like that.
it's like that over here.
Okay.
मतलब जो Amazon पे मिला था
हाँ,
मुझे.
हाँ.
And you put when you're patting the baby to burp, so if something is coming out, so it's not, मतलब आपका ड्रेस खराब नहीं हो रहा है. But कभी यूज नहीं किया, so
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think from what I remember, my kids had a few spit ups, but not too
Same,
many.
not
उसके
too
लिए I
many.
was not going to. And मैंने इंडिया से जो लिया था वो square shape का था.
oh, so like a washcloth.
Yeah, it was more like a
Okay.
washcloth, but they
Okay.
called it a burp cloth.
Okay.
So I used it for the washing part.
But did you know, Neha, like if you buy stuff out of Amazon, like for babies, the boy products are cheaper than the girl products.
The
So
same
like,
product.
Same products. Not, I wouldn't say boy or girl. Sorry, my bad. So if you're buying like a toothbrush, which is blue in color, and if you buy a toothbrush which is pink in color, there's a price difference. The pink one would be expensive, and the blue one would be cheaper. Like even swaddles, if you buy a pink swaddle, it'll be expensive, and the blue swaddle would be cheaper.
Oh my god, what is with this discrimination, man? But you know what's funny? That I have two girls, and my older one loves pink and the younger one loves blue.
Wow.
But I mean, what is this thing?
But
Gender?
why would you do that? Like, ऐसा तो नहीं है कि pink cloth is more expensive or you're dyeing the pink is more. I don't know.
If I had noticed that, मेरे को तो पता ही नहीं था. But
Yeah.
if I were to pick, then I would probably just pick blue.
That's what I did with most of my things. I was like, okay, let's go with the neutral shades, the
Yeah.
grey ones. Like, if I even want like a peachy pink shade for my kid, I would not buy it because I'm like, oh, it's expensive. Even if it's like expensive by $3-4, why do you want to do that?
But
because
why? That's
Yeah.
the question. That's so weird.
Weird.
Wow.
oh my. Did you buy a baby carrier?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
I did. Right from birth, I used it.
Hmm.
But I bought the buckled one.
Right.
So
Like the Ergo baby and all
yeah,
these,
yeah.
right.
So first, like initially, I would put her here. Then even it was useful to carry her on
Carry
the
on
back
back.
like a backpack.
Yes.
It was such a cute thing.
I know.
But
yeah,
it's very
I think
helpful.
baby carriers are really helpful.
Yeah, very helpful. Because when I used to go for long walks, especially when we would go on trails, जहाँ पे strollers नहीं carry कर सकते,
Yes.
so that really helped. And my husband also wore her a lot.
Yes, yeah. Like everybody in the family can easily
Yeah,
use
yeah.
it.
It's very
Yeah.
and it's easy to even do it by yourself. Even if you don't have help around, it's easy to put it on. And the baby also feels really relaxed.
Relaxed.
And they're close to you. So very soothing. Babies also sleep in it.
Like even while traveling, when you're like doing the security check and all, because you have to give your stroller for security check.
Yeah.
So then you can, like, the baby carrier was such a relief for me because my baby is not going anywhere. Like, you know, मुझे हाथ में नहीं पकड़ना, because I used to get really tired after holding for a bit. So वो baby carrier really helped me like while traveling.
Yeah.
Also.
And your hands are free.
Free.
You can carry a bag. You can just eat, drink, whatever. Right?
And even if they're fussy, just put them in the carrier and you're like, now do whatever, you can't move, keep crying. But this is where you have to be.
Yeah. I would like walk around with her in the backyard. Carrying her in the stroller. Sorry, in the carrier.
Yeah.
Very helpful.
Very helpful. कितनी चीजें आ गई यार.
बहुत चीजें.
But yeah, I think this was a good list of like must-haves and like total
It
waste.
just took me back to my baby, like my newborn, not my newborn, but my
like,
baby's newborn days.
Yes.
But I hope this list was helpful and you make the decision for yourself, make an informed decision, and it's always good to wait it out, I feel, rather than just jumping to buy stuff.
And you can always reach out to your friends or like people you know on Instagram and like just ask them their opinions, because I'm sure like people have different opinions about different products.
Yeah.
Just the way we had like different experiences. So, and if you want any of our help, we're always there to, help
For
you out.
sure. And that reminds me, before we wrap up the podcast, that hand-me-downs का जो topic था, तो मैंने एक यहाँ पे, there's a store called Once Upon a Child. It's a second-hand baby store. So not just for babies, I think they have stuff for kids up to 12-13 years old, but they have a lot of second-hand products, which are not just clothes, but shoes, books, toys, a lot of accessories like cribs, strollers.
Oh, I didn't know. That's amazing.
A lot of stuff, yeah.
Okay.
And they are, I know some people have an apprehension about buying secondhand, which I also had at some point. But then when I saw it, they were in such good quality. Sometimes I felt like they were probably worn like once or twice.
Oh wow.
And good branded products, like branded clothes. Also. There was no tear, no button missing, no scratches or no faded clothes, nothing. It was literally brand new. So you can probably buy stuff, good quality stuff, for like $4 or $5.
Wow.
Imagine, like I buy a lot of my kids' stuff.
Definitely
from there.
checking it out if I plan.
Yeah, definitely do check. And they have stuff for older kids too, right? Up to around 11 or 12 years old.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah. So it's good, it's great, especially toys, books and stuff. So definitely.
Even I feel now that it's so good to like just exchange toys with your friends also and just keep circulating it, because your child gets bored, the other one likes it, so just keep circulating.
And so do check that out. We'll put the description of that store in the description. And it's all over Canada, so you can check out whichever location is closest to you. And you can even donate your stuff over there. If you have stuff that's in good condition, then you can donate it there and you can shop from there too. So do check that out.
Hope you like this video. Please subscribe, because that will help us, build our brand and spread more awareness, share more stories, and to give us a thumbs up and share our
and share it with all your mom friends. All your group. Whichever group chats you're in, and leave us a comment and tell us which of the products you found really helpful and which one were not helpful. If we missed any, and if you have any opinion on that, then please do share in the comments and subscribe.
Till then, bye.
Bye.